Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shilpa Sathe. I'm a Mumbai-based energy healer, and today we are going to do angel card reading for this month, August 2021. So I have already placed three groups here. This is group number 1 with a green feather, group number 2 with white feather, and group number 3 with pink feather. You just have to look at these groups and look at the color of the feather and select one group individually for yourself. If you are unable to choose, make 3 chits, write colors of the feather on each chit and choose one. So you can pause this video right now and select one group for yourself. So these are the 4 cards I have selected for each group. The first card is how your month is going to be, what actions you can take, what gifts and what blessings angels are showering upon you, and which crystals can help you in the coming month. So group 1, green feather, let's start with how your month is going to be. Connect with nature. You are rejuvenated and inspired by spending time outdoors. So group 1, this card has come to you because your body and soul are craving to go outside, to get fresh air, to spend some time in nature with trees, beautiful flowers, butterflies, to receive some sunshine. And coming month you will get opportunities to go outside, and that will open up your receiving. You will start getting some new ideas. So go outside whenever you get opportunity and spend some time in nature. Or if you won't go outside, at least try to connect with nature in some way, and that will open up your receiving. Now let's see what actions you can take in the coming month. Time to create. This month is going to open up your opportunities for you to develop creativity and open up your receiving. So whenever you get new creative ideas, start working on them. Start taking actions on those ideas. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 1. Receptivity. Allow yourself to receive. This will increase your intuition, energy, and the ability to give to others. Wow. So group 1, this month is about receiving for you. Connecting with nature card. There also we talked about receiving. And now this card. Here I would like to just add about receiving, that receiving does not necessarily mean receiving money. You may receive money or improved health or more loving relationship, or as this card was indicating that you will start getting creative ideas. So there is a possibility of career growth or career change, or it could be the receiving could be just a receiving of appreciation from people around you. And once you will start acknowledging that your receiving has opened up, and you will start appreciating that, you will start receiving more. Now let's see which crystal can help you in the coming month. Celestite. Wow. Universe is waiting for you to open up your receiving, because celestial is a crystal which connect you to the universal consciousness, and celestial will help you to make that connection stronger. So ask for what you choose to have in your life, and celestial will help you to receive what you are asking for by making your universal connection stronger. So going out, connecting with nature, or connecting with universe, both the things are similar, and celestite will help you to make that connection stronger. So group 1, you have a strong message of connecting with universe and open up your receiving and ask for what you desire to have in your life. And this month is about manifesting your desires or receiving what you choose to have. How does it get better than this? What else is possible? Group 2, I have already selected 4 cards for each group. This is how your month is going to be, what actions you can take in the coming month, what blessings angels are showering upon you in the coming month, and which crystal can help you in the coming month. So let's start with how your month is going to be. New career. Your work focus is shifting in a positive, new and successful direction. So group 2, those who are looking for some shift in career or some growth or altogether a new career, this is going to be a good month for you. For all these shifts, the universe is responding to your desires to have a fulfilling and meaningful profession. That means if you are not happy with your current career, you will get an opportunity to do something which will give you happiness and fulfillment in your life. Keep your thoughts positive and take guided actions towards it. Physical outlet. Do not suppress your energy or hold on to any energy in the coming month. Release the energy by engaging yourself into some kind of physical activity. It may be like yoga, Zumba, playing some sports, some kind of exercise, or maybe just going for a walk, which will help you to release your emotions. Make some changes in your routine, and that will help you to release your stress and feel good about yourself. And once you get into that higher energy of feeling good, your intuitions will increase and creativity will start flowing through you. So you just have to do some physical outlet, something to some sort of exercise or something to get you into the flow. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 2. Fertility. It is the perfect time for you to start new project, access new ideas, give birth to new conditions. Wow. I think this month is full of increasing your awareness level, connectivity with universe, and manifestation. Because group 1 also got some similar cards. So this card is so self-explanatory and are in so much sync that I feel you already got the idea. Also, this card means that angels are blessing you to release old and let go of everything that is not serving you and let new come in. Now let's see which crystal can help you in the coming month. Sodalite. Oh, perfect synchronicity. Sodalite is a crystal which help you to choose consciously. It increases your wisdom and intuitions, so you will get intuitions about your new career path or growth in your career. Whatever shift will happen in your career, you will receive intuitions about that with more ease, and Sodalite also increases your wisdom, so you will be able to choose consciously for yourself. And the other message which we received in this card, that you will be able to let go of old and embrace new. So a Sodalite is also good for that. So it will help you to give up old. So all these cards are in very much sync. You will see career shift. What you have to do is do some exercises so that you will be able to increase your intuitions. Then angels are already working upon your new project. They are blessing you with new ideas, and Sodalite will help you to speed up the things, because it is also related to wisdom, intuitions, letting go of old and conscious choices. So how does it get better than this? Group 3, I have already selected 4 cards for you. This is how your month is going to be, what actions you can take, blessings from angels, and which crystal you can use in the coming month. So let's see how this month is going to be for you. Pink feather blue. Perfect timing. This is the right time for you to move forward. I think everyone, there is some shift going to happen in the coming month, because everybody is getting some good messages. So group 3, are you feeling stuck in your past, a relationship or a situation that is haunting you, or a guilt which you are carrying from long time? So this is the perfect time to let go of all that and move forward in your life. Free yourself from all that guilt which is not serving you, or everything which is not serving you, not only guilt. See, this girl is freeing herself from this, so it is a perfect time to free yourself and move forward. Now let's see what actions you can take in the coming month. Make a wish. Group 3, what do you most desire? This is the month of focusing on what you desire the most. Generally, we tend to focus on what we don't want, or what is, how the situation is, what is the reality, and we start considering that it is real and we start accepting it as our reality. So angels are telling you that this is the perfect time to ask for what you want or what you choose to have. Avoid thinking about what you don't want or what is. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 3. Transformation. You are experiencing enormous change right now, which brings great blessings. So group 3, you just have to ask for what you desire and you will receive everything. This is the time for your transformation. For that reason, angels are asking you to change your thinking and embrace this change or this transformation which angels are blessing you with. How does it get better than this? What else is possible? Now let's see which crystal can help you. Carnelian. Carnelian is a crystal about positivity, motivation. So during this transformation of leaving all your past and getting transformed, experiencing this transformation, angels are telling you to stay positive and stay motivated. It will help you to give up your past, and Carnelian will help you to be more confident and adopt this change with total ease. So this was the card reading for the month of August 2021. If you like this video, please hit like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Your subscriptions and likes helps these videos to circulate more and reach to more people who are looking for the guidance. So contribute to reach to more and more people who can get benefited by these videos. Thank you.